So আজকে discuss করব envelope. Okay, so first see the definition of envelope. So what is envelope? A curve which touch each member of a given family of curves is called envelope of that family. A curve which touch each member of the given family of curves. Each member of the given family of curves. Now what do you mean by family of curves? Just see what is family of curves. What is family of curves? Family of curves. What is family of curves? What does it mean? What is family of curves? Suppose if we consider this equation, y is equal to, suppose we consider this equation, y is equal to mx. Take. So this is the equation of a straight line, y is equal to mx. M is a parameter. That means we put the value, suppose m is equal to 1 put করছে, so what we get? Y is equal to x. If you put m is equal to 2, that is y is equal to 2x. If you put y is equal to 3, that is y is equal to 3x, right? So we get infinite number of straight lines. Suppose this is x-axis, suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Y is equal to x, so this is a straight line passing through the origin, right? This is a straight line passing through the origin. Y is equal to 2x, so this is a straight line passing through the origin, right? Y is equal to 3x, so this is a straight line passing through the origin. Okay, so we get a straight line like this. So this is the family of curves. Okay, similarly if we consider the equation, suppose if we consider this equation, suppose x square plus y square is equal to a square. Suppose if we consider this equation, x square plus y square is equal to a square. A is a parameter. A is a parameter. Okay, so if we put a is equal to 1, so what do we get? If we put m is equal to 1, so what do we get? That is x square plus y square is equal to 1 square. So this is the equation of circle with center at the origin and radius is 1. Circle radius center ta ki hobe origin e, radius ki hobe 1. If you put a is equal to 2, that is x square plus y square is equal to 2 square. Take. Similarly if we put a is equal to 3, that is x square plus y square is equal to 3 square, dot dot like this. Okay, so what is the diagram? Suppose this is x-axis, suppose this is x-axis, okay, and this is y-axis. So x square plus y square, x square plus y square is equal to 1 square. That is, this is a circle with center at the origin, right? This is a circle with center at the origin. X square plus y square is equal to 2 square. That is, radius is 2. That is, radius is 2. That means this type, right? Okay, if you put a is equal to 3, that is x square plus y square is equal to 3. X square plus y square is equal to 3. That means the center of the circle is at the origin and radius is 3. So we get concentric circle. So this is called family of curve. Getting my point? This is a circle of radius 1, this is a circle of radius 2, this is a circle of radius 3. So this is the family of curves. So family of curves, is it clear? Okay, right? So if a curve which touch each member of the given family of curves is called the envelope of that family. Suppose if we consider this curve, just see, suppose this is the curve C1, this is the curve C2, this is the curve C3, this is the curve C4, this is the curve Cn. And this curve and this curve, just see this, and this curve touch, this curve touch each member of the given family of curves. So this curve is called envelope. This curve is called envelope. Getting my point? Okay, so what is envelope? A curve which touch every member of the given family of curves is called the envelope. So for this diagram, this is a envelope. A curve which touch each member of the given family of curves is called the envelope of that family, right? Okay, so this is the concept of family of curves. This is the concept of family of curves. Okay, clear? So now how to solve, how to find envelope? Okay, so process, we have two methods. First method, suppose the given curve, let the given first method, method 1, suppose we have the given, suppose let the family of curves be f x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0. Alpha is a parameter. Okay, what is alpha? Just see, for this, y is equal to mx, m is a parameter, x square plus y square is equal to a square, a is the parameter. Getting my point? So x, f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0. So this is the, suppose this is a family of curves where alpha is a parameter. What is alpha? Alpha is parameter. So this is the given family of curves. So this is the given family of curves, right? So first তুমি কি করবে, ডিফারেনশিয়েট করবে, কার রেসপেক্টে ডিফারেনশিয়েট করবে, প্যারামিটারের রেসপেক্টে, কার রেসপেক্টে, প্যারামিটার, আলফা ইজ এ প্যারামিটার, সো ডিফারেনশিয়েট উইথ রেসপেক্ট টু আলফা, differentiate with respect to alpha. So what do we get? That means f dash x y alpha is equal to 0. So this is the given family of curves. We differentiate with respect to parameter. Suppose this. Now we have to eliminate. Suppose this is the given equation. Suppose this is the given equation 1, and after differentiate with respect to parameter, this is 2. This is 2. Okay. Suppose this is 1 and this is 2. Getting my point? This is 2. Now we have to eliminate between equation 1 and 2. So we have to eliminate alpha. কাকে eliminate করব? Alpha. Eliminate alpha between the given equation and this equation. So between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2. Getting my point? Okay. So after elimination alpha, you get the equation of envelope. Okay. So this is the first method. Let fx comma y comma alpha is equal to 0. So this is the family of curves and alpha is a parameter. Then differentiate with respect to alpha, that is f dash x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0. Now eliminating alpha from these two equations, we obtain the equation of envelope. We obtain the equation of envelope. So this is method 1. Getting my point? Okay. So next method, this is method 1. Next, method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Suppose the given family of curves is of the form a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, where alpha is a parameter. Let the family of curves is of the form, that is, this is a quadratic equation in alpha, right? A alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. What is alpha? Alpha is a parameter. Then the envelope is given by the relation. Then envelope is given by envelope is given by this relation, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay, suppose the family of curves is of the form a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, where alpha is a parameter. Then the equation of envelope is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So this is the equation of envelope. Okay, so these are the two processes to find the equation of envelope. Okay, right? So let us consider an example. So first of all, note this problem. Find the envelope of the family of straight line. This is the equation of family of straight line, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to a. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to a, alpha being a parameter. Okay, so first of all, note this problem. Find the envelope of the family of straight line. This is the equation of straight line, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to a. Here it is given that alpha being a parameter, so we have to eliminate alpha, right? We have to eliminate alpha. Okay, so note this problem. Find the envelope of the family of straight line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to a, alpha being a parameter. Okay, so what is given here? Here the given family of straight line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to a. Suppose this is equation 1. So we solve this problem by method 1. Method 1 states that first we differentiate with respect to the parameter alpha. কার রেসপেক্টে ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করব? আলফা রেসপেক্টে ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করব। ঠিক আছে? Then we have to eliminate alpha between the given equation and this equation. You get the equation of envelope. Okay, so now differentiate with respect to alpha. So differentiate with respect to differentiate with respect to alpha, we get, so that is r respect alpha respective, so minus x sin alpha plus y cos alpha is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to eliminate alpha. Suppose this is equation 2. Now we have to eliminate alpha from the given equation and this equation. Okay, just এটাকে স্কয়ার করে অ্যাড করো, স্কোয়ারিং and adding, squaring 1 and 2 and then adding, squaring 1 and 2, then adding, squaring 1 and 2, then adding, we get square. Okay, that means x cos alpha plus y sin alpha, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha square, right, plus square, so minus x sin alpha plus y cos alpha square. So this equal a square plus 0, that means a square. Okay, so this implies x square a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab, okay, plus b square. Okay, minus x sin alpha plus y cos alpha, that is x minus x sin alpha minus y cos alpha. Okay, minus a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, same thing. Okay, if we take minus n common, that is minus square, that is plus, so a minus b. Okay, so plus a minus b square, that is x square sin square alpha minus 2xy sin alpha into cos alpha plus y square cos square alpha is equal to a square. So plus 2xy cos alpha sin alpha minus 2xy cos alpha sin alpha cancel. Yes or no? Yes. Plus 2xy cos alpha sin alpha minus 2xy cos alpha sin alpha cancel. So x square cos square alpha plus x square sin square alpha, taking x square common, so cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is 1. So what we get? So we get x square, so x square plus y square sin alpha plus y square cos square alpha, taking y square common, so sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So x square plus y square is equal to a square. So this is the equation of envelope. Okay, which is the required equation of envelope. Okay, hence the required envelope is hence the required envelope is hence the required envelope and the required envelope is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So this is the required equation of envelope. Okay, clear, right? So next problem. So note this problem. Find the envelope of the curve x square cos theta plus y square sin theta is equal to a square. Theta being parameter. What is the parameter here? Theta is the parameter. So we have to eliminate theta. It is given that theta is a parameter. So note this problem. Find the envelope of the curve x square cos theta plus y square sin theta is equal to a square, theta being a parameter. So what is given here? It is given that x square cos theta plus y square sin theta, x square cos theta plus y square sin theta is equal to a square. Okay, theta is a parameter, so we have to differentiate with respect to theta. Suppose this is equation 1. Suppose this is equation 1. Okay, so differentiating 1 with respect to theta, because theta is a parameter, so we get theta respect to differentiate. So cos theta differentiate, that is minus sin theta. So minus x square sin theta plus y square cos theta. So this equal to 0. Suppose this is equation 2. Suppose this is equation 2. Okay. Now squaring 1 and 2 and adding. Basically, we have to eliminate theta because theta is a parameter. Okay. So eliminating, that is squaring 1 and 2. Squaring 1 and 2 and then adding, we get just square kore add. Okay, so what we get, x square cos theta plus y square sin theta whole square plus minus x square sin theta plus y square cos theta whole square. So this equal to a square whole square, that is a to the power 4, right, plus 0. So this implies a plus b whole square, that is x to the power 4 cos square theta plus 2x square y square cos theta sin theta plus y square sin square theta, right, plus minus x square sin theta plus y square cos theta whole square, that is a minus b whole square. So this will be x to the power 4 sin square theta minus 2 x square y square sin theta cos theta plus y to the power 4 cos square theta. So this equal to a to the power 2x square y square cos theta sin theta minus 2x square y square sin theta cos theta cancel. So this implies x to the power 4 cos square theta, x to the power 4 sin square theta, taking x to the power 4 common, so cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. So x to the power 4, right, plus y square sin square theta y to the power 4, this will be y to the power 4. Okay, this will be y to the power 4, y to the power 4 sin square theta, y to the power 4 sin square theta, y to the power 4 cos square theta, taking y to the power 4 common, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so this is a to the power 4. So this is the required envelope. Okay, hence the required envelope is this, right? Hence the required envelope is, hence the required envelope, hence the required envelope is x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. So this equal to a to the power 4. So this is the required envelope. Okay, right? So let us consider next example. So let us consider next example. Find the envelope of the family of straight line y is equal to mx plus root over of a square m square plus b square, m being parameter. Okay, we know two method. If the given family of curves is of the form a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, then the envelope is given by the relation b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. We use this method. Okay, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is the suppose the given family of curves is of the form a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. What is alpha? alpha is a parameter. Then envelope is given by the relation b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, right? Alpha is a parameter, that is, this is a quadratic equation in alpha, right? So what is given here? Here the given family of curves is, here the given family of curves is y is equal to mx plus root over of a square m square plus b square. So this implies y minus mx is equal to root over of a square m square plus b square. Now squaring both sides, that is y minus mx square. So this implies y square minus 2mxy, right, plus m square x square. So this equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay. So this implies y square minus 2mxy plus m square x square minus a square m square minus b square is equal to 0. Method 2. What is method 2? That is, if the given family of curve is of the form a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, where alpha is a parameter, right? Then the envelope is given by b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, right? So আমার টার্গেটটা কি হবে দেখো, this is a quadratic equation in alpha. Alpha respect a quadratic equation. Alpha is a parameter. Here m is a parameter. So আমি কি করব, m এর রেসপেক্টে quadratic equation ফর্ম করব, ঠিক আছে? ঠিক, so this implies now taking m common, so what we get, that is x square minus a square into m square, ঠিক, minus 2xy m plus y square minus b square is equal to 0. Okay, this is a alpha square plus b alpha plus c. Getting my point? Basically this is a, just you consider this is a alpha square. Alpha is a parameter, here m is a parameter. A alpha square plus b alpha plus c. So this is a quadratic equation in m, right, which is quadratic in m. So what is the envelope? b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So that is b square is equal to 4ac. That is b square is equal to 4ac. ঠিক আছে? So therefore b square, this is b, that is minus 2xy, b square minus 4ac, a is x square minus y square, and c is y square minus b square is equal to c. ঠিক আছে? Okay, so this implies 4x square y square minus 4 into x square minus a square into y square minus b square is equal to 0. So dividing both sides by 4, so we get x square y square minus x square a square into y square minus b square. Okay, so this implies So this implies x square y square minus x square y square plus b square x square plus a square y square minus a square b square is equal to 0. ঠিক আছে? So plus x square y square minus x square y square cancel. So this implies b square x square plus a square y square is equal to a square b square. Now dividing both sides by a square b square. So what do we get? That means x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So which is the required envelope? That is, this is an equation of ellipse. Okay, hence the required envelope is, hence the required envelope, is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, so therefore the required envelope is this. Okay, so next example. So note this problem. Find the envelope of the family of lines y is equal to mx plus a by m, m being a parameter. Okay, so note this problem. Find the envelope of the family of lines, y is equal to mx plus a by m, m being a parameter. ठीक, if we transform the given equation to the form a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, then what is the equation of envelope? That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So this gives the equation of envelope. ঠিক আছে, সো আমার যে কার্ভের ইকুয়েশন দেওয়া আছে সেটাকে যদি আমি a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0 এই ফর্মে কনভার্ট করতে পারি, তাহলে এনভেলপের ইকুয়েশনটা কি হবে? b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. ঠিক, ওকে, so what is the given here? The given family of curve is given y is equal to mx plus a by m. ঠিক, okay, so m দিয়ে multiplying both sides by m, so ym is equal to m square x plus a. ঠিক, so this implies m square x, ঠিক, minus ym plus a is equal to 0. We can write this ym, this will be minus ym. ঠিক আছে, a alpha square, right, plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Alpha is a parameter. A alpha square, here m is a parameter, right, m is a parameter. A alpha square plus b alpha, that is minus this, plus a is equal to 0. So basically what is a here? This is a alpha square, this is a alpha square plus b alpha, right, plus c, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. ঠিক আছে, দেখো a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation which is quadratic in the parameter m, right, which is quadratic. This is a, this is a, this is b, and this is c. So which is quadratic, which is quadratic in, which is quadratic in a parameter, is quadratic in a parameter m. So therefore required envelope, that is b square minus 4ac, a is x, c is a, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So this implies y square minus 4ax is equal to 0, right? So this implies y square is equal to 4x. So basically this is the equation of parabola, right? Okay. So hence the required envelope is hence the required envelope is hence the required envelope hence the required envelope is y square is equal to 4ac. Hence the required envelope is y square is equal to 4ac. Okay, ठीक, clear? So next problem. So note this similar type problem. Find the envelope of the family of lines y is equal to m square x plus 1 by m square, m being a parameter. Okay, so what is the given family of lines? The given family of curves is y is equal to m square x plus 1 by m square. Okay, m being a parameter. Okay, so note this problem. Find the envelope of the family of lines y is equal to m square x plus 1 by m square, m being a variable parameter. Okay, so what is given here? Here it is given that given y is equal to m square x plus 1 by m square. So this implies multiplying both sides by m square দিয়ে multiply করছি, ঠিক আছে? That means m square y is equal to m to the power 4 x plus 1, right? That means m to the power 4x minus m square y plus 1 is equal to 0. You see, this is x m to the power 4, so m square whole square, ठीक, minus y m square plus 1 is equal to 0, right? A alpha square basically this is alpha, just m square is alpha, a alpha square plus b alpha, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation. This is quadratic in the parameter m square respect a quadratic equation. Okay, which is quadratic in the parameter m square. Okay, a alpha square plus a alpha square plus b alpha plus c. Just you consider this m square के तुम alpha consider करो. So a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. A alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, right? So which is quadratic, which is quadratic, which is quadratic in the parameter, which is quadratic in the parameter, which is quadratic in the parameter m square. So therefore the envelope is given by, right? Hence the required envelope is, therefore the required envelope, therefore the required envelope is, this is a, this is b. So b square minus 4ac, b square, that is minus y, b square minus 4ac, a is x, c is 1. Okay, so that means y square minus 4x, that is y square is equal to 4x. So this is the required envelope. right? Okay, clear? So next problem, find the envelope of the straight line. Find the envelope of the family of straight line y is equal to mx plus a into root over of 1 plus m squared. M is a parameter. Okay, so note this problem, similar type problem. Okay, find the envelope of the straight line y is equal to mx plus a into root over of 1 plus m squared. M is a parameter. So what is given here? So here the given family of straight line is given y is equal to mx plus a root over 1 plus m square. ठीक, a alpha square, if the given family of curve is of the form a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, then the required envelope is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So this is the equation of envelope. ঠিক আছে, so আমি এই ফর্মে কনভার্ট করব। ঠিক আছে, we convert the family of curves in this form. So this implies y minus mx, so this is equal to a into root over of 1 plus m square. ठीक, now squaring both sides, okay, so this implies y minus mx square, so a square into 1 plus m square. ठीक, so squaring both sides. ठीक, okay, so this implies y square minus 2mxy plus m square x square, so this equal to a square plus a square m square. ठीक, m is a parameter, right? So we have to convert this equation in this form, a alpha square plus b alpha plus c, that is am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. So this implies that m square a square m square কে তুমি লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে কনভার্ট করো। ঠিক আছে, ওকে, so taking m square common, so x square minus a square, ঠিক, okay, minus 2m xy, ঠিক, plus y square to right hand side, left hand side convert করো, so y square minus a square is equal to 0, right? That is, this is of the form a alpha square, right? A alpha square, that is m square, minus b alpha, that is 2xy into m plus c is basically y square minus a square, right? So basically this is a alpha square, m is a parameter, plus b alpha, right, plus c, right? So a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. A alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. M is a parameter, right? So which is quadratic in the parameter, which is quadratic in the parameter m. Therefore, hence the required envelope is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So this is b, that is minus 2xy minus b square minus 4ac, a is x square minus a square, and c is y square minus a square is equal to 0 ঠিক so this implies 4x square y square minus 4x square minus a square into y square minus a square is equal to 0 ঠিক okay so dividing both sides by 4 so what we get that means x square y square minus x square a square into y square minus a square is equal to 0 okay so this implies x square y square minus x square y square plus x square a square plus a square y square minus a to the power 4 is equal to 0 so plus x square y square minus x square y square cancel that means we get x square a square plus a square y square is equal to a to the power 4 dividing both sides by a square so x square plus y square is equal to a square so this is the required envelope which is the required envelope okay right clear so this is the equation of envelope ঠিক আছে right so if the given equation is of the form that is f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0 so this is alpha is a parameter right that is here only one parameter right only one parameter ঠিক so then first method is just তুমি alpha respect differentiate করবে given equation alpha respect differentiate করার পর যে ইকুয়েশনটা পাবে এই দুটো ইকুয়েশন থেকে তুমি যেটা প্যারামিটার থাকবে সেটাকে এলিমিনেট করতে হবে so here alpha is a parameter so we have to eliminate the parameter alpha you get the equation of envelope so this is the method 1 and second method if the given equation of family of curves if the family of curves is of the form a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0 then the envelope is given by the relation b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 okay right so these are the two methods to find the equation of envelope if the given equation of curve is of the form f x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0 where alpha is a parameter that is alpha is a single parameter alpha is a only one parameter okay so this is the method okay so so আজকে envelope এর full concept আমি ডিসকাস করে দিয়েছি how to determine envelope দুটো মেথড আমি ডিসকাস করে দিয়েছি ওকে সো আই থিঙ্ক ক্লিয়ার সো থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ বাই